Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Finding economic profit for Howl's Toy Hoops is actually super easy if you follow these simple steps. We will solve this monopolistic competition problem together right now. First, we need to find the profit-maximizing quantity where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Looking at our table, that happens at 4 units where both values are exactly 5. Next, we calculate total revenue by multiplying the price of $8 by the quantity of 4. This gives us $32 for our total revenue at this specific level. Finally, subtract the total cost of $29 from our revenue of $32. That leaves us with a total economic profit of $3, making option E our winner.
Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch your signs to avoid a rush.